Let's go.
There's nothing quite like match day, especially here. This crowd doesn't do ordinary, and we should be in for something very special. We expect the unexpected. Passionate, emotional, sometimes angry. Oh, sometimes angry. And it's Albert Ferrer. Milan.
Who are you?
All that pressing. Into Milan, have the chance to go the other way. That's put play to the danger. Well, I'm not sure how the stats look in terms of expected goals, but nothing actual has materialised so far. Tries to pass it through. Antonio Silva to Henderson. Passing is crisp and sharp. Great vision. Just playing it safe. That's the end of the first 45. It hasn't been a bad watch. After all that probing and testing the waters, here's Holmes, renowned for his long-range shooting. Roll finds him.
Damn!
Stood up well to him there. Rijkaard. Ambitious ball here. That is a brilliant interception. And Del Piano! Oh, he's gifted it to the opposition. Now the cross.
The game was petering out, but credit for never losing their focus despite things not going as planned. Now comes the question, will they stick or twist?
Oh, a horrible error, and he has nowhere to hide.
I think the defence really need to wake up here, Peter. They really shouldn't be...
That's a good...
It's applied like that.
So all square, all remaining.
Credit where it's due. This is great attitude. Now the only question is whether there's enough in the tank to grab another.
Ed Nielsen, lovely pass, but can he get there? Aims beyond the defence. Two sides absolutely inseparable, and we know what's coming. So there was Ronaldo to get things going. Oh, it's a really good save.
Worth the treat. If you have any doubts.
Courage to go.
Oh! I actually think he was quite brave to...
That's a brilliant read. Up with a moment. And there you go. It hurts. The team played their part in a terrific struggle, admirably at times, but when it all mattered.
Hey! Ah!
Let's go.
There's nothing quite like match day, especially here. This crowd doesn't do ordinary, and we should be in for something very special. We expect the unexpected. Passionate, emotional, sometimes angry. Oh,